Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you create a HTML form with the help of HTML. There are some simple steps you have to use to make a HTML form. I am going to open Notepad to make a HTML form. First you can type HTML, then open the body section in the HTML form. And there is a tag available that is called form action. You can use. After that you can open a code and this action tag will redirect to some other page. If you want to use, then you can open method and you can choose what method you use, get, post or any other. Then you can use first name if you want to make a form or anything you want to mention in your form. Then input type. After that you have to click on text. Then if you want to give any ID, then you can give them like this. This input type ID is name. Now I am going to close this input type section. Then I will give some password to this form. Then again I have to choose the input type. The input type is password because you don't want to show your password. Then name section you can use password. After that you can close the input type. Then you can make some radio button with the help of input type. Just type radio, close the, then provide the name like male or female or something, whatever you want you can provide in this section. These are value. When person click on it, anybody click on it, the value goes in the database. Again you can make another radio button for another option. You just have to type radio, then again provide the name. Then you can have to provide the value after the click. What is the value you want to send on your server. Then you can provide the name. After that you have to provide the button. Then you can make a submit button. Then you can provide any message here on the button. If you want to show something on button, then you can type here. Then you can close the form by clicking on this. Then you have to close the body section. Then HTML. So you can see in this code there is HTML tag and body tag where you can define all the form actions. Like you can make a form. After that you can create an action page where you want to redirect the page. Then you can use the action tag, then method, which method you want to use, then first name, input type, what is your input type. If you want to input type is a text, if you want to input something text, then you can use text. If you want to use password, then you can provide a password. Then use two different radio buttons for different options like male or female or any age or gender or something. Then you can make a button with submit function. After if anybody click on the button, then form will submit it and send into the server. Then provide the message called send message. I'm going to save this form on my desktop and click on save. Now I am going to open this on my browser. You can see here there are two input boxes are available. First is first name, another is password, and there are two radio buttons are available. And there is no, of course there is no server are actually integrated with this form. So if I am click on the send button, then the page will not redirected to any other page. So you just have to make a simple form. You can provide any other button, you can provide any other input box or any other different search box. You just have to print it here and integrate with your server or integrate with another scripting language like PHP or ASP and make your form workable. So these are some simple steps you can use to make a HTML form. So thank you friends, thank you.